Excuse me, waiter. Can you come here, please?
Yes, sir. What seems to be the problem?
Look at my plate, please.
Hmm. What happened, sir?
There's a hair in my food.
Oh, no. I'm very sorry about that.
This is not okay. I feel uncomfortable.
I completely understand, sir. I'll take this away right now.
I don't want this pasta anymore. It makes me lose my appetite.
I understand. Would you like me to bring you another dish instead?
Maybe, yes. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very good today. It's fresh and delicious.
Okay, that sounds better. Please bring me the grilled chicken.
Of course, sir. And don't worry, there will be no charge for the pasta.
Thank you. That's fair.
Again, I'm very sorry for the mistake. I'll speak to the chef immediately.
Please be careful next time. I come here often.
Yes, sir, we will be more careful. Thank you for telling us.
Okay, I'll wait for the new dish.
It will be ready soon. Thank you for your patience.
All right, thank you.